Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make spinach omelette. It is very easy to make. It is rich, it is delicious and very highly nutritious. Please comment on the video, like, subscribe and share the video. Look at this goodness. These are the ingredients that we are going to need for the food: spinach, eggs, onion, oil, spices, and salt to taste, and of course milk. In a pan, you just add 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil of your choice. Heat the oil and then you pour in the onion. Just quickly, just to saute the onions, and then later you pour in the spinach. This is to steam the vegetable. You can do the steaming in the microwave if you like, but I prefer doing it in a pan, so I can first of all saute the onion. When the vegetable is steamed, then you use a sieve to drain it, drain the liquid, the water that comes out from the vegetable. The water that comes out from the vegetable is very nutritious. Don't throw it away. I don't waste it. I pour it into a cup, a tumbler, and I drink it. It is very highly nutritious. Then after that, I'll just sprinkle oil. No, that is not the next step. The next step is to beat the egg. Yeah, you beat the egg. Whenever I beat egg, I always remember the first time I broke eggs. I was asked to go and buy eggs. I was playing. I used to play a lot then. And then I fell down and broke the egg. I came back and I was shouting, I fell down. My mother was saying, okay, we know you fell down. But it was only the egg that was broken. Oh, God bless our mothers. So, you see the juice, the liquid from the vegetable. Don't waste it. Then you add the spices, the black pepper, the turmeric, the dried garlic, and the dried onion. You add to the vegetable, mix everything together. And when you have done that, you break the egg and add the milk. If you don't want to add milk, no wahala. You can only use the egg and then add salt. Beat everything together and add the vegetable, the steamed vegetable. Then heat a pan up with, just sprinkle oil on the pan, a flat pan, and pour the mixture into the pan when it is hot. Use your kitchen spoon or spatula to distribute it very well in the pan, and cover it and cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. Then after 3 minutes, you place a flat plate over the pan. Be careful. If the pan is hot, use a kitchen napkin to hold it, and then turn it over. In other words, flip it over. You see how it's coming out? It's coming out wonderful. Then you put it back into the pan and leave to cook again for another 3 minutes. It's very easy, it doesn't take much time, and you are ready. The spinach omelette is ready. Please subscribe to my video. Please like, comment, and share. We have come to the end of today's video. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Bye.